What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we got a unboxing of the Tinwoo smartwatch, or the activity tracker. Now, shout out to the benefactor, and let's pause right here for just a second. Anytime I unbox anything on here or something is given to me, this shout out will be made to the benefactor because they may not want their name blasted out all over YouTube. But shout out to the benefactor, I appreciate you very much. Without further ado, we're going to go into the unboxing of this. What I'm going to do right now though is I'm going to go ahead and throw on the specifications on the screen so you can kind of read it right there. Some notables, obviously, is going to be the Bluetooth connectivity, which is what you want, heart rate sensor. This is also IP68 certified for water resistance, compatible with Android 5.0 or better, or iOS 9 or better. So even if you have an older smartphone, it should still work with this watch as long as it's meeting those minimum specifications. It has a 300 milliamp hour battery, has the magnetic USB charger. Charge time, as you can see there, 2 hours, and they're claiming 10 to 15 days with standby up to 20 days. Now, this particular watch comes in two formats, and I'll throw the link to this watch below. But the format that that's in this box, I believe, is going to be the wireless charging version. So if you have a wireless charger, it should work out with the watch, and we'll test that in the later on in the video. But let's go ahead and get into the box. So right off top, you have the watch waiting for you. So we'll take that out, set it to the side. There we go. And then inside the box, you have the wireless charging cable, or I'm sorry, you have the charging cable. So if you lose this, then you'll still be okay because you'll be able to wirelessly charge it if you have a wireless charger. And then it looks like you have some instruction manual right here, full color, I might add. So that's a nice added touch. And then there's a thank you inside the box. So we'll set all of this to a side. And this is the watch right here. Let me bring it up some. So this is the watch. Looks like it's already on. So let's peel it off. Peel off that piece there. And this is not too bad looking of a watch. Actually, this is a really good looking watch. There we go. That's how you wake it up. Looks like it has some. Okay, so the bezel doesn't turn. Okay, but the touchscreen is pretty responsive. Looks like you have some weather and stuff going on right there. So this seems to be like a sleep button. And then there's another button in the middle. So it looks like you have like a stopwatch. See if we can stop it. Oh yeah, it's already stopped. How do you get to that hourglass where you do the timer? Oh, you just tap on it and press it. So you have to do multiple double presses for the function to work, it looks like. So that's pretty cool. Let's just go ahead and press this for right now until I have a chance to actually look at it. And then at the bottom, this must be like an activity. Yeah, I think it's counting or tracking the activity. So this is how you get to that particular activity. But overall, oh, there's something blinking on the. Oh, that's for the. It's trying to measure the heart rate. But overall, this is a nice watch. It has nice weight to it. Should probably stop that from going, but hey, we're just gonna keep all of this on the. Oh, look at that. So it says session is too short to be saved. So you can have long sessions, it looks like, and then you can save them. Okay, yeah, I got to stop. But let's open the watch band up. So as you can see right here, this is where there we go. This is where you'll charge with the cable that's included. Man, it's like I'm touching this watch and the face of the watch, and it's coming up with all sorts of stuff. So we're definitely gonna have to play with this one. But I want to test the wireless charging on this watch. So let me And we'll bring this out, the old trusty Note. This is the Note 5G, or Note 20 5G. Wireless power share is on. Alright, let's go ahead and put this down. Let's see, right here. Alright, so there's the wireless charging right there, folks. So this is a pretty nice watch. And if you go to the website and look, the retail of this is $49.99. So this is not too bad if you're not wanting to spend, you know, hundreds of dollars on a smartwatch or activity tracker, and yet you want a lot of features. I think this watch will pack in a lot of features here. So, yep, still doing a wireless charge. So, and you gotta love that wireless power share. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this watch. Over the next few days or maybe a week or so, we'll come back and we will do a review of the watch. But again, shout out to the benefactor for this watch. Really do appreciate it. We'll definitely try that out and see how it works. May even have a battle between this watch and my current watch. We'll see. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official, and we will see you later. I hope y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Holla at your boy.